Hey designers, are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? Say hello to Pacdora, which is a game changer for both designers and non-designers. Let's dive into the basics and discover why Pacdora is a must-have for designers and beyond. Get into the mock-up designs if you want to wow your clients with jaw-dropping presentations. From apparels to stationery, Pacdora offers a plethora of mock-up templates to showcase your designs and style. And next is a 3D design tool. It actually adds a lot of depth to your designs. It helps to elevate your creations to new heights, visualize your projects from every angle, and watch them come alive in stunning detail. Next one is a die-line template design. If you're tired of starting everything from scratch, then it got your back. With a lot of templates, and you don't need to have the headache of designing packaging from the ground up. Pacdora gets you the ready-made templates, make it a breeze to bring your vision to life. Of course, it has got a professional results. You can impress your clients and stakeholders with high-quality presentations. It creates the global impact by reaching the audiences far and wide. And teamwork makes the dream work. Collaboration is seamlessly happening here with the Pacdora. You can connect with any of the team members and clients directly from the website. I've given the link in description. You can use this code to get 20% off on it. And you can also check out my YouTube channel to get a detailed video of how to use Pacdora for product designers and entrepreneurs. Thank you and follow for more.